Big up Crosses TV.
Quincy TV, me and mad out them blood clot girl and me say.
Peeps on Instagram, me love you know, and me know you love me. Listen, my bail in Florida is 55,000. The 10% is 5,500. The bail has been posted already. You understand? I don't want to go to Florida and sit down there and wait to be banned out. Okay? Whenever they extradite me to Florida, I must just pay the 5,500 and get out. I'm asking you guys, please assist me. Back to back, because I know the love is real and I'm going to make a call fan. Love you all. That is. This is not for the stiff, but who can endure it, and I know I can endure it. But let's not hold my peace and I go and pray, because I won't if I get forget address when I touch out of this.
Nah, Baddie. I'm not going to do the talk back, you know.
You guys know I'm coming shortly. Here ain't nothing to worry about, just get me out here. You feel me?